Dogs are known for their quirky and sometimes perplexing behaviors, one of which is their fascination with sniffing each other's rear ends. While it may seem odd or even humorous to humans, this behavior has significant importance in the canine world. Understanding why dogs engage in this behavior can provide insight into their social interactions, communication methods, and overall nature. In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind this peculiar habit, exploring the science, social dynamics, and evolutionary background that make butt sniffing a crucial part of a dog's life. Dogs possess an extraordinary sense of smell, far superior to that of humans. Their noses are equipped with around 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to the mere 6 million in human noses. This incredible disparity allows dogs to detect and differentiate a vast array of scents that are imperceptible to us. Additionally, the part of a dog's brain dedicated to analyzing smells is proportionally 40 times greater than that of a human, highlighting just how important scent is in a dog's world. The anatomy of a dog's nose is uniquely adapted to enhance their olfactory abilities. When a dog inhales, air is divided into two separate streams. One stream goes to the lungs for respiration, while the other is directed to the olfactory area, where scent is processed. This separation allows dogs to breathe and sniff simultaneously, ensuring that they do not miss any important scents in their environment. Furthermore, dogs have a specialized organ called the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ, located between the nasal cavity and the roof of the mouth. This organ is specifically designed to detect pheromones, the chemical signals that play a crucial role in animal communication. The intricate structure of a dog's nose also includes a network of turbinates, which are thin, scroll-like bones covered in olfactory epithelium. These turbinates create a large surface area for scent molecules to adhere to, enhancing the dog's ability to detect even the faintest of odors. The moisture in a dog's nose further aids in trapping scent particles, making it easier for the olfactory receptors to pick them up. Understanding the power of a dog's sense of smell is essential to grasping their behavior, including the seemingly strange habit of sniffing butts. Scent is a primary way for dogs to gather information about their surroundings and other animals. When a dog sniffs another dog's rear end, it is not just a random act, but a deliberate attempt to gather specific information about the other dog. This behavior is deeply rooted in their biology and is a vital part of how they interact with the world around them. Pheromones are chemical substances produced and released into the environment by animals, affecting the behavior and physiology of others of the same species. In dogs, pheromones are produced in various parts of the body, including the anal glands, which are located on either side of the rectum. These glands secrete a strong-smelling substance that carries a wealth of information about the dog, including its age, sex, health status, diet, and even emotional state. And when a dog sniffs another dog's butt, it is essentially reading this chemical message. The anal gland secretions are rich in pheromones, which convey important social information. For instance, by sniffing a dog's anal region, another dog can determine whether the dog is male or female, whether it is in heat or neutered, and what its current mood might be. This information is crucial for social interactions, as it helps dogs understand each other's intentions and status without the need for aggressive or confrontational behavior. The vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ, plays a key role in detecting these pheromones. This specialized organ is connected to the nasal cavity and sends signals directly to the brain's accessory olfactory bulb, which processes pheromonal information. This direct pathway allows dogs to react quickly to the chemical signals they detect, facilitating immediate and appropriate social responses. Pheromones are not only important for communication between individual dogs, but also play a role in group dynamics and hierarchy. By sniffing and analyzing pheromonal cues, dogs can establish and maintain social bonds, recognize familiar individuals, and reinforce their place within the social structure. This chemical communication system is sophisticated and efficient, enabling dogs to navigate their social world with remarkable precision. In addition to the anal glands, dogs also produce pheromones in their urine, feces, and even saliva. Each type of secretion carries different information, allowing dogs to communicate a wide range of messages through scent. For example, when a dog marks its territory with urine, it is not just leaving a physical marker, but also a chemical signal that conveys its presence, dominance, and territorial boundaries to other dogs. Similarly, fecal deposits can provide clues about a dog's diet and health, adding another layer of information for other dogs to decipher. Understanding the role of pheromones in dog behavior helps explain why sniffing butts is such a prevalent and important activity. It is not merely a quirky or amusing habit, but a fundamental aspect of canine communication. By gathering and interpreting pheromonal information, dogs can make informed decisions about how to interact with each other, avoid conflicts, and establish social connections. This behavior is deeply ingrained in their biology and essential for their social well-being. Dogs are inherently social creatures, and their interactions with one another are governed by a complex system of communication that relies heavily on scent. When dogs meet, the initial butt sniffing ritual is a critical part of this communication process. This behavior serves multiple purposes in their social interactions, such as establishing identity, understanding social hierarchy, and gauging emotional states. When dogs engage in butt sniffing, they are exchanging vital social cues. The anal glands located near the rectum secrete unique scents that convey detailed information about an individual dog. Through sniffing, dogs can determine each other's age, sex, reproductive status, and overall health. This initial exchange helps dogs establish identity and provides a foundation for further interaction. Hierarchy plays a significant role in canine social structures. Dogs are pack animals by nature, and in any group there is a need to establish a clear social order. Butt sniffing is a non-aggressive way for dogs to communicate their status within the group. For example, a submissive dog may allow a more dominant dog to sniff its rear first, signaling its acceptance of the other's higher rank. Conversely, a dominant dog might initiate the sniffing to assert its position. Beyond hierarchy, this behavior also helps dogs understand each other's emotional states. Dogs can detect stress, fear, excitement, and other emotions through the scents they pick up. This ability allows them to respond appropriately to their peers' moods, whether by offering comfort, playing, or avoiding a potentially aggressive encounter. The nuanced information exchanged through scent helps dogs navigate their social environment with minimal conflict and maximum cooperation. Butt sniffing is also crucial for establishing and maintaining social bonds. Just as humans use handshakes, hugs, or other forms of physical contact to build relationships, dogs use scent to create and reinforce their social connections. When dogs regularly engage in this behavior, they are continuously updating their understanding of each other, which helps strengthen their bonds and ensure group cohesion. In addition to the anal glands, dogs possess other scent glands on their bodies, including those on their paws and near their ears. These glands secrete pheromones that provide further information about an individual's identity and status. When dogs sniff each other's butts, they are often picking up additional scents from these other areas, adding layers of complexity to their communication. Understanding the role of butt sniffing in canine social interactions is essential for dog owners and trainers. Recognizing that this behavior is a natural and necessary part of how dogs communicate can help humans manage their pets' social interactions more effectively. For example, allowing dogs to engage in this behavior during introductions can lead to smoother and more positive interactions, reducing the likelihood of aggression or misunderstanding. Dogs' social behaviors, including butt sniffing, have deep evolutionary roots that can be traced back to their wild ancestors. Understanding these evolutionary origins provides insight into why such behaviors persist in domestic dogs today and highlights their importance in the canine world. The ancestors of modern dogs, including wolves and other wild canids, relied heavily on scent for survival. In the wild, scent marking and scent detection are crucial for various activities such as hunting, mating, and establishing territory. Wild canids use their highly developed sense of smell smell to track prey, find mates, and avoid predators. This reliance on scent for critical life functions has been passed down through generations and remains a fundamental aspect of canine behavior. One of the primary functions of butt sniffing in wild canids is to gather information about potential mates. The scents secreted by the anal glands contain pheromones that provide detailed information about an individual's reproductive status. For example, females in estrus emit specific scents that signal their readiness to mate. Males use these cues to identify fertile females and determine the best time for mating. This behavior ensures that mating occurs when the chances of successful reproduction are highest, contributing to the survival of the species. In addition to mating, scent plays a crucial role in establishing and maintaining territory. Wild canids mark their territories with urine and feces, which contain unique scent markers. These markers communicate ownership and boundaries to other animals, helping to reduce conflicts and maintain social order within the group. When wild canids sniff each other's rear ends, they are also gathering information about territorial boundaries and the presence of other individuals in the area. The social structure of wild canids is based on a pack hierarchy, where each member has a specific rank and role. Butt sniffing is a key behavior that helps establish and reinforce this hierarchy. By exchanging scents, individuals can assess each other's status and determine their place within the social order. This behavior minimizes the need for physical confrontations and helps maintain stability within the pack. The evolutionary benefits of scent-based communication are clear, and these behaviors have been retained in domestic dogs due to their continued importance in social interactions. While domestic dogs no longer need to hunt or establish large territories, they still rely on their sense of smell to navigate their social environment. The ability to detect and interpret scents allows dogs to communicate effectively, build relationships, and avoid conflicts, all of which are essential for their well-being. Comparing the behavior of domestic dogs with that of their wild relatives provides a broader understanding of the evolutionary significance of scent-based communication. Many of the behaviors observed in domestic dogs, including butt sniffing, have direct parallels in wild canids. This continuity suggests that these behaviors are deeply ingrained and have been preserved because of their adaptive value. For dog owners, recognizing the evolutionary roots of butt sniffing can help in appreciating the behavior's importance and managing it appropriately. Understanding that this behavior is not just a quirky habit, but a vital aspect of canine communication can lead to more informed and compassionate handling of dogs' social interactions. Providing opportunities for dogs to engage in natural behaviors, including sniffing, can enhance their quality of life and contribute to their overall well-being. Understanding the reasons behind dogs' butt sniffing behavior can greatly benefit dog owners, providing practical insights for managing their pets' social interactions. This knowledge can help create a more harmonious environment for dogs and their human companions, ensuring that dogs' natural behaviors are respected and accommodated. Firstly, when introducing dogs to each other, it is essential to allow them the time and space to engage in their natural greeting behaviors, which include sniffing each other's rear ends. Rushing introductions or preventing this behavior can lead to misunderstandings and potential conflicts. By allowing dogs to perform this ritual, owners can facilitate smoother and more positive interactions. It is advisable to introduce dogs in a neutral area where neither dog feels territorial, reducing the likelihood of defensive behavior. Understanding that butt sniffing is a form of gathering social information can help owners recognize the importance of this behavior in establishing relationships. For example, when dogs meet for the first time, they are essentially conducting a mutual interview to determine compatibility and social standing. By allowing this process to unfold naturally, owners can support the development of healthy social bonds. Recognizing the signals that dogs send through their sniffing behaviors is also crucial for owners. Dogs communicate a wealth of information through body language and scent, and being able to interpret these signals can prevent conflicts. For instance, a dog that tenses up, growls, or shows signs of discomfort during sniffing may be feeling threatened or anxious. In such cases, it is important to intervene calmly and separate the dogs if necessary to prevent escalation. On the other hand, relaxed body language and wagging tails indicate positive interactions and a willingness to engage socially. In multi-dog households, understanding the dynamics of butt sniffing can help owners manage their pets' relationships more effectively. Regular sniffing sessions are normal and healthy, allowing dogs to update their social information about each other. Owners should observe these interactions to ensure that all dogs are comfortable and that no single dog is being overly dominant or aggressive. Providing individual attention and resources such as food, toys, and resting areas can help minimize competition and promote harmony among household dogs. Owners should also be mindful of their dog's overall health and hygiene, as this can impact their social interactions. Ensuring that dogs are clean and free of infections or parasites can prevent the spread of unpleasant odors that might lead to negative reactions from other dogs. Regular veterinary checkups and grooming are essential for maintaining a dog's health and well-being, which in turn supports positive social interactions. Socialization is another key aspect of managing dogs' behaviors, including butt sniffing. Early and consistent socialization helps dogs become accustomed to different environments, people, and other animals. Well-socialized dogs are generally more confident and less likely to exhibit fear or aggression during social encounters. Enrolling puppies in socialization classes and exposing them to a variety of experiences can set the foundation for a well-adjusted adult dog. Training and positive reinforcement can also play a significant role in managing dogs' social behaviors. Teaching dogs basic commands such as sit, stay, and come can help owners control their pets during interactions with other dogs. Rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, or play reinforces positive social interactions and helps dogs learn acceptable behaviors. It is important to remain patient and consistent with training, as this fosters trust and strengthens the bond between dogs and their owners. For dogs that exhibit excessive sniffing or fixation on other dogs' rear ends, owners can redirect their attention with toys, games, or training exercises. While sniffing is a natural and important behavior, it should not become obsessive or interfere with other aspects of a dog's life. Providing mental and physical stimulation through regular exercise, interactive toys, and training sessions can help balance a dog's activities and prevent over-reliance on sniffing for social interaction. In public spaces such as parks or dog-friendly areas, it is important for owners to be vigilant and respectful of other dogs and their owners. Not all dogs are comfortable with being sniffed, and some may have medical or behavioral issues that make social interactions challenging. Asking for permission before allowing dogs to greet each other and respecting other owners' wishes can prevent negative encounters and promote a positive community environment. In summary, understanding the practical implications of dogs' butt-sniffing behavior can enhance the relationship between dogs and their owners by allowing natural greeting behaviors, recognizing social signals, promoting good hygiene, socializing dogs, and providing training and stimulation. Owners can support their pets' social well-being and ensure harmonious interactions. This knowledge fosters a deeper appreciation for the complexities of canine communication and contributes to the overall health and happiness of dogs.